Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start inside a chat. Tap the text field to bring up your keyboard. Once the keyboard appears, press the globe or keyboard settings icon to open language options. This is where WhatsApp reads voice input from. Make sure the target language is installed in your keyboard app and the phone's speech recognition package. If you haven't added the language yet, add it now so the voice typing engine can use it. That step is critical because WhatsApp uses the keyboard's language list rather than its own separate setting. Now change the active keyboard language. Select the language you want for voice typing from the keyboard's language list. Once selected, press the microphone icon on the keyboard, not WhatsApp's attachment menu. WhatsApp sends audio to the keyboard's speech-to-text engine. If you need reliability in low connectivity, enable offline speech packs in your phone settings so recognition runs locally. Also, adjust keyboard permission for microphone access if the mic prompt appears. That ensures the finish by testing. Speak a short sentence and watch the transcription. You should see the chosen language's characters and punctuation. If text still appears in the wrong language or mistranscribes, update or reinstall the keyboard app, because outdated speech models cause errors. Make sure WhatsApp and the keyboard have microphone permission. If permissions are correct but voice typing fails, clear the keyboard cache or reboot your phone to reset the speech service. One key tip: switch languages, then restart the keyboard to force the new model to load.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.